Evaluate integral x plus 7 upon x plus 2 into x plus 3 dx. Solution: if you want to solve these type of questions, we must use partial fraction method. So consider without integral symbol. Consider x plus 7 upon x plus 2 into x plus 3, that is equal to, split into partial fraction. So a by first denominator x plus 2 plus second letter b by x plus 3, the second denominator. Here we have only two functions. First one is x plus 2, second one is x plus 3. So a by first one plus b by second one. Consider it is equation number 1. First of all, this is equation number capital 1. That is equal to x plus 7 upon x plus 2 into x plus 3, which is equal to, here first one denominator is x plus 2, second one denominator is x plus 3. LCM is x plus 2 into x plus 3, which means that we have to multiply first numerator into second denominator. A into x plus 3 plus b into this one, cross multiplication, b into x plus 2. Observe here, LHS side and RHS side denominators are equal, so gets cancelled. That is equal to x plus 7 is equal to a into x plus 3 plus b into x plus 2. Here here x plus 3 means let x plus 3 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 3. If we transform 3 here, it is minus 3. Sub this value in above equation. Sub x is equal to minus 3 in above equation. That is equal to, here we have x, but x is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 plus 7, which is equal to a into x, but x is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 plus b into x again. X is minus 3 plus 2. That is equal to, this is 4 is equal to minus 3 plus 3 cancel. This is 0. So b into minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. That is equal to 4 is equal to minus b, which is equal to b is equal to minus 4. This is the b value. In the same way, find, let the second denominator. What is the second in b coefficient? B coefficient here x plus 3. Let x plus 2 is equal to 0. Transform 2 here. That is equal to x is equal to negative 2. Sub this x is equal to minus 2 in above equation. That is equal to, the above equation is x plus 7, but x is equal to minus 2. Negative 2 plus 7, which is equal to a into x plus 3, but x is equal to negative 2. Negative 2 plus 3 plus b into x plus 2. X is equal to negative 2. Negative 2 plus positive 2. These are the gets cancelled, which is equal to, this is 5 is equal to a into minus 2 plus 3. This is 1 plus this is 0, which is equal to 5 is equal to a. So a is equal to 5, b is equal to 5. If you have any doubt a and b value, substitute this a and b in this equation, you will get x plus 7. LHS side is equal to RH. If a and b are satisfied this equation, these two are the right values. Now x plus 7 upon x plus 2 into x plus 3 dx is equal to integral of, see before that, what is the equation number 1? Equation number 1 is x plus 7 upon x plus 2 into x plus 3, which is equal to a by x plus 2 plus b by x plus 3. We know that a and b value, substitute here. Sub a and b values in equation 1, that is equal to x plus 7 upon x plus 2 into x plus 3, which is equal to a value is 5 by x plus 2 plus b value is negative 4 upon x plus 3. See, we can write this is directly a by x plus 2 plus into minus 4 by x plus 3. That is equal to, see, apply both side integrals. Integral of x plus 7 upon x plus 2 into x plus 3 dx. Here apply right hand side also. Right hand side is integral of 5 upon x plus 2 minus 4 upon x plus 3 into dx. Here split the integral. Integral of 5 upon x plus 2 dx minus integral of 4 upon x plus 3 dx. That is equal to, here 5 is constant, take it outside. 5 into 1 integral 1 upon x plus 2 dx minus, here also 4 is constant, take it outside, integral of 1 upon x plus 3 dx. See, we know that integral of 1 by x dx is equal to log x plus c. At the same time, integral of 1 by x plus a dx is equal to log of x plus a plus c. So if we apply here, that is equal to 5 into log of the denominator is x plus 2 minus 4 into second denominator log of x plus 3 plus c.